Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this 4K Wi-Fi security camera. It's an Ultra HD mini indoor wireless camera with a phone app. Alright, so here is the HD security camera. It is 100% wireless, hassle-free setup. It works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Long-lasting battery life, runs up to 100 days in deep sleep mode. So now let's jump into the box and see what comes with this mini spy camera. It's got PIR motion detection, instant alerts, push and video clips. Here is the user manual, the 4K mini camera. This basically tells you how to set it up, how to connect the network. It says you do get 3 days worth of cloud storage for free. It does take a USB card up to 256 gigabytes, which is not included. This is ultra small compared to a Blink Outdoor or a Blink Mini. This is a lot smaller. This is a 40 by 40 by 40 millimeter. So this ultimate video quality you can get for an ultra small security camera. The dimensions are 1.6 inch by 1.6 inch by 1.6 inch. That will capture the most pristine details for brilliant visual experience. So in this box is all your accessories. You do get a mounting. Right here is the Bluetooth adapter, which is a USB. So you do get a mounting tripod. So you can put this anywhere in your home or your vehicle. So here is the little tripod at the top. On the bottom it does have a really nice sticky sticker. This is the 3M sticker. So if you want to put it on a desk, you just push it on the desk. So in here we do have the mount that goes on the bottom of the camera. This helps capture crisp and super clear 4K Ultra HD live feed, and all the videos being recorded is in real 1080p full HD quality color video using a powerful chip. So in this one right here is the standard Android charger. It is not Type-C, but is a regular Android. This will ensure you'll be able to make out all the details, the activity in the room. You're recording with incredibly fluid, smooth motion at 30 frames per second. So right here is the camera. It is super lightweight, super small. The camera lens shoots an incredible 160-degree field of view. At 160, you'll be able to see most of your room edge to edge without missing a thing. It is recorded in an MP4 format using an H.264 advanced video coding compressions into time and date stamp files, easy to save and sharing. So here is your side where you'll put your SD card and your charging port. And on the opposite side is where you'll put the tripod, but there is your SD card slot and then your charging port. This is the back, this is the top. You have a button to turn on, and the other button is to sync to your device. So the resolution of the live view is 4K 1080p 640p, record in real time full HD 1080p. The field of view is 160 degrees. It's 30 frames per second. The battery life is 19 hours of continuous recording, 5 to 14 days in low power consumption mode, and up to 100 days in deep sleep mode. It's got a 3000 milliamp rechargeable battery, also supports recording while charging. You get free permanent 3-day cloud storage that is included with this. So it'll tell you when you want to connect, you'll connect to the device. You want to download this app. Once you download the app, you want to make an account. I'm not going to do that, but just for demonstration purposes, this is the app that you want to download. This is great for any devices that are on iOS or Android. Right now I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so this is what it looks like. It's just asking me to set up an account, but it is also great for Android. So it does have Ultra 4K, long-lasting battery life, app control, 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. It's got PIR motion detection, night vision, 160-degree wide angle, free cloud storage, and 24/7 loop recording. So when you want to put it onto the stand, you'll have this little piece. You'll just screw it into the stand part, which is the tip right here. The great thing about this, it has enhanced night vision. When the ambient brightness gets dark, the camera automatically activates night vision motion, delivering clarity up to 26 feet away, even in total darknesses. Images are so clear that you won't miss a thing. So you just twist this on here, and it's good to go. And that's what it looks like. And then if you want to set it on a desk, mount it on a desk, a wall, this 3M tape works perfectly. So now if you want to use this and you're already out of the 3-day cloud storages, they do have options to choose for to use storage. It is easy to hide. You just want to remove the mount. You can tighten this up so it won't move. This is a great little camera. It's super lightweight. You can tilt it this way, you can tilt it up, down, side to side. So the top is your lens, the bottom is the motion sensor. It has 24/7 loop recording with the micro SD card, which is not included for continuous recording and storage. It has a massive 3000 milliamp battery. So on a regular mode, it should last up to 5 to 14 days. If you're on a sleep mode, it's up to 100 days in deep sleep mode, making it the more powerful most than any other mini cameras on the market. So when you want to take it apart, you just pop this thing off just like that. And then you can just set it anywhere without using the tripod. But if you like the tripod, it's a good thing that it has it included. If you're looking for a little nice camera for your 4K videos, for security camera, I would say go ahead and check this one out. This one's a super nice camera. It does come with an app you can install on Android as well as iOS.